We are doubled up right now. Holy cow.
Yeah, Arbor got a good one.
All right, so we got a big chunk of bonita. It's fresh too, really fresh. Surf is actually a little bit rough, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, there's some pretty decent sized waves out there. I'm either gonna tip on the way out or back in. I just really need to try to get this bait out. I got Cat watching the rods, Arbor's watching his over there, so we'll see how this goes. I will see y'all out there. We are still in brown water, so this needs to go out fairly far. Yeah, right here is good. All right, now we get the here. It's an outgoing tide, which is good because it's gonna really carry the scent of that bait out there and draw the bigger fish in. Dropped it about, I'd say like maybe 400 or 500 yards off the beach. And this sucks. Paddling on an outgoing tide sucks. I don't care what anyone says. Feels like you're not even moving. Holy cow, we did it.
Is it even recording? Hold on. It's not recording.
We got some, boys. Yo, get my phone.
Hey, this is bacon.
I'm on my way.
Oh shit, hey, hold me.
Oh, you see him. He's not dead.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a sandbar. Bring. I got the GoPro.
Oh my lord, you got that big, but you can fight him.
Oh, she's fat. She's fat.
Well, I want a picture. Yeah.
There's more to come. Gone. Alrighty, boys and girls. Yeah, he's there. We are doubled up right now. Holy cow. We rocking without the harness, aren't we? It's not pulling. It might be a big sand tiger. All right, Arbor, how's your fish doing? Yours is right there, dog.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Please don't let them out close.
No, I got it.
There you go. Easy money. All right, don't move, don't move. All right, don't move. Yeah. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got one here. He's a big guy. Big? Is he bigger than the one you had before? Young? I'm not gonna.
Get up close,
You got this.
Get up close.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, the hook's right there.
Yo, I need a tooth.
It's up there. Right there. Wait, no, I might be down. The hook's there.
Look at that. Hold on. Let me get inside.
Hold on.
Trust me.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Fun tooth. Look at that. Inside that mouth, boy.
Good.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Tyler Young, 2023, April 2nd. Yeah, look at that.